that doggy's afraid of you. Ready? Roar! Ready? Say, come on, doggy. Come on, doggy.
Careful, Boston. Be nice.
Go, let's go, doggy. Let's go. Let's go, doggy.
Hey, Boston.
Quiet. Hey. He's like, I love it.
Woo, you're gassing.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2. Why do you sit like that? Are you like... Is he bow-legged?
He's getting there, but Dr. Taggart says it's okay.
Oh. Ready? 1. Sit up straight. Don't wiggle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, almost. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3. 1. Don't wiggle. Don't wiggle. Ready? Stand straight. Right here. 2. No. 1. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Woo. That's funny. 1, 2, 3. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Woo. 1. What are you doing, Boston? Trying to look underneath my desk. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Boston. Yeah, see, she likes ears. What's her doing to you? What's her doing to you? 1. No. 1, 2, 3. Did you see that? 1, 2, 3. Oh! So close.
Blake.
I think if he just has something to put his head on, he could probably stand up.
I know.
Because it leans against my boobs and he stands there, see? His head's just too heavy. Ready?
He holds on to things. He was holding on to our air mattress.
Look at you.
The other day.
I'm about to put your head in between my boobs and just let you stand there. Ready?
Blake, look at Mama.
Oh, you're standing. You're a big boy. Yay, Blake. Can you hold on to the couch? Hold on to it. No, you gotta hold on to it. Hold on to it. Ready? Oh, hold on. You got a good grip? No? Gotta hold on to the couch. Hold on. Oh, really? It's not...
Boston. Boston.